Good morning from Grandfather Farm. It's June 8th, 2025, and it's about 9:55 in the morning, and it's 81 degrees. It's a hot one. So I gotta make sure I'm down here a little more often to check on the waters for the animals because I don't want them to run out of water. Still got a lot of work down here to build the pig pens. That's not going to happen until the heat isn't so bad. So I got to keep water on the grass area. It's drying up pretty quick. Anyway, it's Sunday, and we'll go back up to the house and have breakfast with the family. I'll catch you later.